question to show up for the Naman why Akona Magan on the Boria.
No. With you.
I'm going to sell man to the sense. So, Rama decided to one year to now, Memorial will be better than a real Kufado.
Really?
You expect to be our Kotuamana, I consider $97 million. Say, na memu obi be consider say a serious amenu. She corruption of billion. Omu free me catch us so ram ma ba e no. Wa anya we kwala say ngo afo no. We have to say o e die Ekufado mu be wi aya amemu mu fo be wi aya.
Okay, Solomon, so my info and common see Manamenda was in the way, so Oma Hokwa, my new didn't come on. Say, Bray, say Fatano, Wabekan Sawaha, now you know, Diano, bye bye. All right, so that's fine. Solomon Usu, and I'll say 7 and no, it didn't come alive here on SOMPA 106.5. Hey, Patrick,
Prof.
Unyo.
Madam, you.
And go on, Midika.
Solomon, come on, there, Madam.
And go on here with them.
Solomon Coronel, Bob Punchline, be waiting.
No, say punchline here then.
Or say, yeah, memoir, be back as a minimum crew or man in it. Could you say, sir? That's the I just have for the obvious. It's within the political space. Now, I could be on cars and also the motherfucker.
Oh, Charlie.
The over so, but you hear a smartphone in data. Or a hold that.
Oh, we are sorry.
Never. What the man got was that's all real. Real one, I'm so cool.
Now, Patoi, we pass all the info a year
as a commoner would
come on, we want to know.
Your friend say Alan Cheramantin.
Alan Kojo Cheramantin.
Ne ho ne biography kakra na ehu ne waye omam ebra ansa na obefiri NPP party nim ekọ join ono ekọ te ono ane de eye UP no na dodo na ye Ghana ha nyina enim ne say friend Alan Cash and as Alan Cheramantin bani full name eshada kemana say wo paper so Alan Kojo Alan John Kojo Cheramantin, the full name on the 3rd of October 1955. And now, now, education, I can say, our BA in economics, University of Ghana, Legon. No, sir, our LLB. And now, a friend, he was called to the bar also in the Ghana School of Law, and also Ewaham. Now, the early public and private sector career. And now, I can say, arising free management roles in the private sector are including early senior management positions in Unilever subsidiary and consultancy roles. Now you are appointed as the first regional director of Enterprise Africa, under UNDP, and also across Africa, and also Ebetoja. Now you run the political, the party politics. Nifita said no. NPP New Patriotic Party now a founding and long-standing member of the NPP. I was serving on the NPP National Executive Committee from 1992 to 2021 and chaired the party's Young Executive Forum 1992 to 2001. Play roles on NPP economic teams and strategy and finance committees. Now flag bearer any leadership contest and so we say NPP Munu or contested flag bearer NEB in 2007 or contested 2010 or contested 2014 and also Sabrano or contested EBI. Now in 2023 and Sana will free NPP among you or contested flag bearership new NSUB. Now government positions, the national government positions. Now obey Ghana's ambassador to the United States 2001 to 2003. He served as a Ghana's ambassador to the United States under Kufuor's administration, and also and a minister for trade, industry, private sector development, and President's Special Initiative, that's PSI. And the first tenor Obesevu 2003 to 2007. He was appointed to the cabinet responsibility for the trade and industry, private sector development and presidential special initiative in the Kufuor government. And during this time, he led the industrialization initiative, cassava industrial processing, corporate village enterprise, and in their export promotion, any trade negotiation rules, Nina Ebetoja. Now, also by a minister for trade and industry on the second tenure. And from January 2017 to January 2023, he was reappointed Minister for Trade and Industry in President Nana Akufo-Addo's administration. Now, resigned from the cabinet effective mid-January 2023 to focus on his presidential ambitions. Now, other national roles need governance participation, a long-standing member of party decision-making bodies and economic management groups for the NPP are involved in government trade policies coordination and investment attraction teams whilst in the office. And also ebetoja na yehwe electoral and presidential ambitions kakra recently. In 2023, he declared his intention to contest the NPP flag bearer contest for the 2024 election cycle. After contest stages, he withdrew from the NPP primary processes and resigned from the NPP on 25th September 2023. And also now 2024 presidential run Obejinaye, after leaving NPP, he organized the movement for change. Nim Afafranto party. Branding Afafranto party. Now announcing the independent presidential bid for the 2024 general election. And also who Asam Ebetoja. Now international rules and negotiations and reconnections papa yebetimi abonidi akabi on honorable Alan Kojo John Chemantin. Nomination for WTO World Trade Organization Director General 2012. Ghana formally nominated Alan Chemantin as his candidate for Director General of the World Trade Organization in December 2012. And also Asamoho na United Nations ECA or serving in senior trade advisory role. With the UN Economic Commission for Africa, ECA, and also Ebetor. Now, World Economic Forum and also multilateral negotiations will play a prominent role representing Ghana and Africa in World Trade Organization multilateral trade negotiations. And also 2003 Hong Kong 2025 and also Assam Ebetoja. Now trade diplomacy and investment promotion. As trade minister, he led bilateral trade and investment promotion effort with major partners to say UK, US, China, EU states, South Africa, and the Kikeka. And to papa Honorable John Alan Kojo Chemantia. Ni wabakwa samni ni wabayo omaemu de na edoso
he served the world and he served the country too as well and of course he served Africa because Africa hanumwa the African continental free trade area he was one of the members of the technical team will provide a strategic guidance and support to the African Union Commission. And you know, onyeni patwa. Your man penyinka say or key role or special role. Wabra no be just 2 minutes as the president of the African AU. Let's just say and you know, so with this one I don't want people to draw political lines into it. When your politics asem.
Only fata. Adwuma you show competence now of fata tie the manner omampanika so be man special ruler. I think that see prof it's about time you look beyond the political parties. Now you share bibi to say competency onipa na ho odin betimi aye.
By Ghana here, that is what we don't do.
Eno ni asem.
The fafem na me kwa ahoma na so na me ndi nkomo kakra. Benya honorable lawyer Kwabena Kokofu, wono aspire obelidi the New Patriotic Party as the general secretary and a former NPP MP for Bantama. Yenya no anma so a yene ne bedi nkomo. Honorable, we for God and country that's e ma kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Me ba chona wapom to saying.
Oh, I don't know.
God is good. It is well with us. Yeah, we pa. Easy. Because nyame de odo hotel so bibia edi eboa be GDP say sansusu no so and ne wo wadwum because my follow kakra the me hu say nyame sum eye wo de ye pa. Na say no with the New Patriotic Party, you know, the general secretaryship contest that perhaps maybe next year, no. How prepared are you?
Mamma, a dear for I don't so. That is TBR. Now, I am a dead and I'm about some farm of PDA. Sure. We saw a New Patriotic Party. I can't see a day anymore for national elections.
Yeah. Because you're having TSA, Upa General Secretary.
Yamea Domina, a many Dunan Penny, Yapaya, and she in a Guapem, Communina Cosso, then Major General Secretary.
Sure.
I know that Yamea will be the next General Secretary for New Patriotic Party.
Oh, really?
My main kind of temp says, Sabria, you will miss CCA, a Franca Tuni. Community and now Franca 241. I want to be to Franca, the New Patriotic Party. And until Frank back the grace in the last and the Anubel at 2 on West you on January 31st. Yamea Doma said at TBR, Yaboba Kudin, now Abe Franca Trini and now Franca 241 New Patriotic Party. And on that sheet, Nampenive Ama other elections at what was levels, you know, maybe a national elections, national level, general secretary. What can you say? Name the campaign now. Na munyo na de se da munyo na kudimdie sabla mani Patriotic Party na so ba
na ono gogofu believe say we need the mo presidential primaries contest na echi na kasa eba no every afenu ni nyina ho because afenu are the two leading candidates honorable camp ne Baumia camp no does it pleases your ears? Let me be say usha a contest ekosu ya we have two leading contenders Ken and then Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Now usha said ye afenu ni nyina ya charged up a good mama nyuku no
any experience that can go on say brand nyinara Drew, I can't say, baby, and your don't so no crable, you knew you all at the prepope. The young one said, they won't mean now, you know, a you all prepope. Now I can see a little the pillow soup, and now walking, you know, so. But so be a man and other said, nearly that's over her brother, I could be a people. To me, the numerous could in our equal. Chances. Idea into a bonum money for DNA de and then some kind of idea I could get the issue. Empire Bonnie said the TDR general first. You be back, say me a room view, says outsider. You be back. You hear Ninkomodia, as I said, Twasuga, and what's up, how to manage differences in every battle. Yabon Craig at the Chiu and then a crack, Ninking and Cassantasa. Yabon Craig, a 10-year womb, Yabon Craig, and she grew womb. Now, so I upon saying Tokay, the Pidano throat in time, the can form Boko, Empire Bono. Now, and no, here, Ama, national leadership. The between one weird thing.
na wo 7 period so we need the do to bring these factions together. And they say when the going gets tough, it is only those who are tough get going. The Piarada from all divide, NDC, MPP, Ayana, or winning election today. A party needs your party now one day. The machinery party no is any day. In Kabum Pepper, I can see more didn't say you know in your party leadership at the national level, regional, constituency, and sana about a pompa the group station level. And yes, do baby